you cocksucker!
What the fuck? Are you crazy?
Fuck you!
You are fucking mental, Sophia. You want your shit back? Well, there it is.
I hope you die a painful death, you asshole!
Sophia, you said you were gonna do this.
Let me go!
Sophia, calm down.
Eat my ass, Kathy!
Do you have to be so vulgar?
Fuck your mother, you cheating piece of dog shit!
Let's just take a break. We can handle this like grown-ups.
Grown-ups?
Yeah, we're not the ones acting like a couple of stupid teenagers who couldn't keep their pants on. You really want to go there, Kath?
We can fucking go there if you want.
This was a bad idea.
Sophia, we always promised we'd talk things out.
Well, maybe we should have promised not to fuck each other's boyfriends instead.
All right, that's it. We're going.
No. Sophia, I am not leaving until we talk this shit out. We've all known each other too long. This is crazy.
No, you know what's crazy? Her. 2 a.m. phone calls and creepy drive-bys, posting all that private shit on Facebook and Instagram, calling my work. I could lose my job because of you. You know that.
Come on, that's all you were fucking talking about. It's my job.
At least I have one, dude.
Wanna fucking go?
Danny, stop.
Let him take a swing if that makes him feel
No
better.
one is swinging at anyone.
You know what? I'm out of here.
That's fine. Do all that shit to me, Sophia. I deserve it. Whatever. But to Kathy, your best friend since 3rd grade, you guys sold Girl Scout cookies together for fuck's sake!
That's a great fucking point, James. How could someone do something so fucked up to someone they love? It's a fucking mystery!
You said you would stop all that psycho shit if you got all your stuff back. Well, there it is. All of it stops right here, right now. Anything else, and we'll get a restraining order on your ass.
Restraining order? What is wrong with you? Can I get a moment? Please, we've been talking every day since we were like 7. I fucked up, okay? I know that. As your best friend, I made a huge mistake.
What's a mistake? Great.
But Sophia, you fucked up before too, and I always let you get your word in. So please, I've never cut you out like this.
Maybe you should have.
Look at her. She doesn't want to talk to you.
Well, I don't care because she needs to know that I was in a bad place. I was confused. And you were there, Sophia, but you weren't really there. And Danny, I should have told you, but I didn't have the words. You were always so close. Like, who Googles baby names for fun? I can't even take care of a houseplant. I started to feel trapped. And
Trapped?
like nothing would ever change.
I never made you feel trapped.
I know. But the way I was feeling, I just needed room, space.
You need space, so you cheat on me and you fuck your best friend's boyfriend? How does that make any sense?
It doesn't.
I don't know, okay?
Bullshit!
I don't know why I did it, and then that's why it's killing me. I don't know exactly why, but I'm sorry.
God, I don't want to hear how fucking sorry you are. I don't want to hear your apologies. I mean,
You have every right to be angry.
I'm not angry. I'm just... God. What happened? You were supposed to be the one. It was supposed to be you and me. All the way.
I know I hurt you, Daddy. I can see it. God, I can feel it. How could I screw up so much that I would do this?
Look, I don't want you to apologize. I just want you back. Back to the way things were.
We can't go back to the way things were, Danny. That's the one thing I can't do. The way things were wasn't working, Danny.
Do you remember Mount Wilson?
Danny, no.
We went on that long hike.
Come on, Danny, we talked about this.
We saw the sunset. I remember.
Kathy, what are you doing?
And afterward, we...
What else do you remember from that day?
Jesus, I can't.
Hey, what's Mount Wilson?
Shut up, James. Keep going.
I remember, Danny. After the hike, we went back to your place, and I took a shower, and I don't know how you did it, but you had Dean Martin playing on the record player, and you had this 5-star meal already on the table. Garlic bread, caprese salad, pasta, red wine. And I was starving from that hike, and it was so good. And you kept going on about what you put in the pasta sauce. And it was like, okay, Gordon Ramsay. But I wasn't listening. All I could think about was being with you. And
Then we...
Whoa. We didn't come here to reminisce, okay? We came here to give you all your stuff back. Well, there it is, all of it. I looked all over the house and found every fucking thing you gave me, Sophia. Every letter, every piece of clothing you left behind. It's all there. Isn't that what you came for? Take it so we can go. Go burn it up or do whatever the fuck you're gonna do. That's what you're gonna do, right? You're gonna have a raging bonfire and watch the past disappear in the smoke. How fucking dramatic.
James, enough.
You're gonna burn it to ashes. So there's no trace that we ever had a relationship, right, Sophia? I know you. Well, there's our entire history. Throw it in a river, set it on fire. I don't fucking care.
That's what you want, isn't it?
What?
Nothing would make you happier, huh, James? You want me to burn all this so it's like nothing happened.
Like I said, I don't give a fuck what you do with it.
Of course you do. You want me to get rid of all this so it's like we never happened. And if we never happened, it means you never made the worst mistake of your life.
What are you even talking about?
If all this disappears, none of it happened. We never fell in love. We were never together. You never fucking betrayed me with the worst person you could ever betray me with. You never did possibly the worst thing you could have done to me short of pushing me off a goddamn bridge. I know you too, James. James Tsai. The perfect boyfriend. The perfect son. The perfect everything, fucked up in the most royal way possible.
Oh, you know me so well, Sophia.
Damn straight I do. You hate that no one thinks you're perfect anymore because everyone knows what you did.
Because of you. Do you have any idea? Do you have any...
Listen to you. Listen to what you're actually saying. Every other word out of Kathy's mouth is sorry. But you can't apologize, can you? You can't even say the word, because then it'd be real. Then you'd have to deal with what you've done. Well, guess what? It's fucking real! You and Kathy broke my fucking heart! Don't say another word to me, Kathy, or I swear to God! I am sitting here hurting so much, needing to talk to you, needing you to help me, and I can't even look at you. You took away my best friend when I needed her the most, you fucking piece of shit! You want this all to go away, don't you? You want to delete your history. You want to get rid of the past. Let's do that. You too. Right, Kathy? We all want to forget this ever happened. So let's do that. Let's just forget. I remember watching this. We walked out of the movie theater, and it was raining. And somehow you had this small black umbrella because you're always prepared for everything. We passed through this courtyard, stone walls lined with those pretty little flowers. Bougainvilleas. It started to rain even harder. I remember water splashing against my ankles. But instead of walking faster, we slowed down. We stopped. You turned to me and you kissed me. We kissed under the umbrella with the rain pouring all around us. And I didn't want it to end. I felt safe. For the first time in my life, I was safe.
Coming home to you, yeah, think I'm ready, see I'm coming home to you, I've been ready, take a good look in the mirror, like what I'm doing and where I've been. Guess I forgot it. Guess I forgot it. Yeah. I'm coming home to you. Yeah. Think I'm ready. Think I'm ready. I'm coming home to you. Yeah. Think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. See, I'm coming home to you. I've been ready. I've been ready. The little stuff keeps saying